Hi everyone! Welcome to my mini haul video. Um, Good night na rin pala kasi gabi na. Naka-prep na nga yung skin ko to sleep tonight. But I'm gonna do a very quick mini haul video for you. Okay? So first is this Body Shop night cream. This is T3 Blemish Fade Night Lotion. It's only for $17.50. This one we bought at the duty free. So, siguro nasa 600 pesos roughly siya. Yan. So, bago ko siyang ginagamit, kasi ang dami kong pimple marks. Sabi nung sales lady, maganda daw to. So, bumili ko. Now, there is this new cosmetic brand from UK. It's called Collection Cosmetics, and I got this one. This is their naturally matte foundation, all day fresh matte finish. This one is in ivory. It's only for 299 pesos. And then I got this BB Secret with BB Technology Beauty Balm with SPF 15 in medium. Yan. This is also from Collection Cosmetics. This is 250 pesos. Aside from that, I was also able to get a few items. This one is from Sleek Cosmetics. The primer palette. Basically, hindi siya eyeshadow. Ganda niya, oh. When you open it up, teka, nalaglag yung applicator. Meron siyang free na applicator. Tapos, ayan. Cute niya, no? Meron siyang, balik rin natin. Meron siyang orange, yellow, brown, green, peach, black, white, blue, purple, red, pink, and silver. These are not eyeshadows. These are primers. Kaya, kumuha ko kasi nga, I've been mentioning that I have very oily eyelids. So, I got this one. And, actually, I was surprised that we have Sleek Cosmetics pala in the Philippines. This one is for 695 pesos. And then, I've been hearing a lot of things about this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So, I got one. It's for 299 pesos. It's very cute. It's in a mint, green, and pink packaging. So, yeah, I'll try this one as well. And then, I got this from Maybelline. Kasi paubos na yung eyebrow pencil ko from Etude or Etude House. So, I got this one, the iStudio Crayon Brow Natural Brow Liner in brown. And it's only for 150 pesos. Very nice. Ito yung lalagyan ng bawal kasi plastic eh. So, dudukutin ko na lang. Okay. Another from Sleek is this Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in black. There. It's very black. And, meron sila nung Kajal or Kajal liner in black din. But, I did not get it because it's very intimidating. It's as thick or fat as a big Crayola. So, I don't want to risk using that one kasi baka mamaya hindi tama yung gamit ko. Okay. Baba ko lang. And then, I have bought the Sleek one is only 150 pesos. I think I mentioned that already. Pero mura, 150. UK Cosmetics na siya. And then, I have here Color Sensational Lipstick from Maybelline. And it's in Refined Wine. It's for 399 pesos. Ang color niya is deep purple or deep violet lipstick. Kasi I was planning on creating ang tawag sa ganun, a look, glam look. Parang ganun siya. Okay, what else? Yay! Ito, I'm very excited to have this. This is the Charm Pro Big Blending Brush. Kasi I don't have a blending brush. Ginagamit ko, ang ginagawa ko if I want to blend my eyeshadows is, if I don't use my fingers to blend it, I actually use fluffy brushes. It's not a blending brush, I just use fluffy brushes. And so, I'm very happy to get myself finally a blending brush. This one is in big and merong mas maliit. Small yata tawag doon or medium. Hindi ko lang sure. This is 399 pesos as well. Yan. So, excited akong gamitin siya. Okay, what else? Yeah. Ito. I bought Paganini Collection rollers. Velcro rollers. Actually, tinry ko siya bago ko siya bilhin. Kumakapit naman. Pero since sobrang kapal ng hair ko, siguro pwede kong gawin. Kiklipan ko lang siya. This red one is in large. And this yellow one is in medium. Itong large, for 4 pieces, ano na siya? 35 pesos. Mura, diba? And then, itong medium, for 6 pieces, 49.75 or 50 pesos. Yan. Excited na akong gamitin yan. Here's another good buy. Actually, sira na yung packaging niya. It's a Baby Flex thermometer. 10 seconds lang ma-read na niya yung temperature ng baby mo. At the same time, kaya siya tinawag na Baby Flex kasi nafe-flex siya. Eh, di ba makukulit ang bata? Ang tatak niya is Tiraillon. Tiraillon. Ayun. This is made in France. Ayan. Original price is 519 pesos. But, since sira na yung packaging niya, I was only able to buy it for 150 pesos. So, it's really a good buy. Para sa baby ko, kasi yung mga thermometers ng baby ko since birth, eh, pinagtatapon niya. Eh, di ba ang thermometer na ganon? Pag tinapon mo, hindi na calibrated yung temperature reading niya. So, bumili na akong bago. Ito, sa baby ko to, Pro Kids Baby Wipes. So, okay lang yun. This is for me, Charmy Feminine Wipes. Alcohol for the car. Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, malagkit daw. Kailangan daw may alcohol. So, bumili na ako. And this, ayoko magkaroon ng dengue or chikungunya ang baby ko. So, I have to buy this. This is the Green Cross variant. Green Cross brand. Ang variant niya is yung Active Protect, yung blue. Kasi yung pink, 4 hours lang ang effect nung anti-mosquito. This one is 10 hours. So, if you're gonna buy, I recommend this one. The blue variant. It's for 119 pesos. Pero laki na niya. 100 ml. Mas mura sa off. So, yan na lang bilhin niyo. Okay. Ayan pala. Ito. I have bought cotton balls. 9 pesos. May akong binili na Click, K-L-I-K, scented acetone, non-drying, 13 pesos, color pink, cute. At dahil may acetone ako, bumili ako ng nail polish. Click din, K-L-I-K ang brand. Pero yung kanyang pangalan ay OMG, Oh My Golly Nail Colors. So, each is only 18 pesos. 18. Sobrang mura. This one is, the color is bunny. Ayan, pearlized pink. This one, color niya. Kaya ako ginigilid kasi natatakpan. Ayan, para makita yung color. This one is purple passion. Okay. This one is in champagne. Ano rin siya, pearlized light pink compared with the other one. And then, I have sunny tan. Para siyang grayish brown. And then, I have white. Yan, 18 pesos lang. Very, very inexpensive. Titignan ko lang din kung okay siya, di siya madaling matuyo. So, yun lang. Wala na. So, yun yung mini haul ko. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And, yun. If you have your own mini haul video, I'd be interested to watch it. And I hope you got interested watching mine. And that's it. Until my next video, good night and have a good one. Bye! Although the army was able to make use of a